To play a pentascale or a 5-finger scale in any key, you can use this pattern, of this fingering pattern. To learn the whole and half step pattern, please watch the previous video on whole and half steps. So this will show you, start with the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, and then play all three together to get the major triad. This is C major, left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1 to get the major triad. C major hands together. And then all triads together. To do G major is also on all the white keys. Same fingering. Once your fingers are set up, you just go up and down and then you skip for the triad. Then we'll go to D major next. D major has an F sharp in the middle. Next is A major. A major has a C sharp on the third note. Next is E major. E major has an F sharp and a G sharp. E major. Next is B major. B major has 3 sharps. Notice you want to slide your hand in to reach the F sharp. You don't want to twist that way. So slide in to reach the F sharp. And then the last white key is F major. F major has a B flat in it.